because of COVID and everything. We've all been so alone and shut off for such a long time.
And when they finally did come back to school last year, these young ladies from Western Boone Junior Senior High School in Thorntown said something was different.
The school was more quiet, and the kids weren't as outgoing as they used to be.
And it's not just them. Around the world, studies have shown children's depression and anxiety rates may have doubled during the pandemic. The American Academy of Pediatrics and the American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry both call it a national emergency.
We're seeing this in our offices and in our hospitals. Just so many children and families who are really struggling.
Do you think that there is a stigma when it comes to mental health?
Absolutely. I think that people are just scared to talk about it for some reason. It is a tough subject, but I think people are scared to admit that they have a problem just because people are going to be like, you're weird.
So at Western Boone, Jaden Mays and her classmates decided to do something about it.
We really wanted to make a change in the school.
They teamed up with the nonprofit Bring Change to Mind
to help provide better resources for students who may be struggling.
And started the school's first ever mental health club.
And we had 73 students show up to the first one. And for a small school and a rural school, in an area where it is so much more harder to get those mental health resources, that's a big number.
How important is it, you think?
Very. Because I think mental health is such a hush-hush topic in schools.
We can't replace a therapist. We can't replace, the adults that are trained, that have the degrees. But our only goal is to help, is to provide another outlet for kids where they feel safe to talk to other kids.
If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, help is available. The National Suicide Prevention Hotline is 24/7. All you have to do is call 1-800-273-TALK.